Prepositions in English. Understanding prepositions. Hello and welcome to our lesson on prepositions. In this video, we'll learn about the different prepositions and how to use them correctly in English sentences. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They usually indicate location, time, or direction. Some common prepositions include in, I left my keys in the car. On, the book is on the table. At, we're meeting at the park. Under, the cat is hiding under the bed. Above, the sun is above the horizon. Below, the fish are swimming below the surface of the water. Between, the bridge is between the two buildings. Behind, the trees are behind the house. Pronunciation. Some prepositions can be difficult to pronounce, especially for ESL learners. For example, between is often mispronounced as between instead of between. To help with pronunciation, try breaking the word down into syllables and practicing each syllable separately. Practice. Complete the following sentences with the correct preposition. 1. The cat is sleeping, blank, the sofa. A, on, B, under, C, between. Answer. A, on. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. 2. We're going, blank, the beach. A, to, B, in, C, at. Answer. A, to. We're going to the beach. 3. The book is, blank, the bed. A, under, B, in, C, between. Answer. A, under. The book is under the bed. 5. I put my keys, blank, my pocket. A, under, B, in, C, on. Answer. B, in. I put my keys in my pocket. That's all for our lesson on prepositions. Remember, using prepositions correctly can help you communicate more effectively in English. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. Click the link in the description for some free worksheets on prepositions.